Good morning to everyone. Today we're gonna make another nice recipe with this nice calamari with all these beautiful items, which is anchovies, pine nuts, gold raisin, capers, all these Mediterranean flavor, and we will gonna make calamari stuff. This is very nice recipe, delicious, creative, and really is collect inside all these nice items that we see. Chopped garlic, anchovies, capers, gold raisin, peanuts, filling our calamari. So here we go. We're filling our calamari. It's very important that when we're filling the calamari, we don't feel full, like 3/4 of the full calamari the leg, because when we're gonna cook, it's gonna get smaller, and if you feel too much, the filling can go outside. Our stuffed calamari is ready. This plate I like it because it literally inside there is all the Mediterranean flavor inside. There is gold raisin, olives, capers, anchovies, pine nuts. It's really rich, healthy, full of intense flavor. So hope you enjoy and stay safe, stay at home, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy.